What's up, Amazon sellers? It is the last month of 2021 and oh my god, my business is back. December is going to be a busy month and I am #excited. If you want to know what I'm going to be doing and the goals I want to be achieving in this month, stay tuned. I'm going to share all with you now. Right, if you don't know who I am, my name is Thomas Parkinson and I've been selling on Amazon now for 4 years, and in the UK I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. Check this out. And in the USA, which we recently started, now a 6-figure Amazon seller. Check this out. And hopefully in the near future I'm going to be expanding into another marketplace as well. And if you're interested in learning how I've done it, what I'm doing in my entire journey and documenting it, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So first things first, let's recap my plans for November. Basically, if you want to know anything about my Amazon USA business and what I'm doing in the USA right now, is about getting my business back on track. And if you don't know, we experienced losses, or should we say declines in our sales because shipments were being held by our prep center. Why? Well, quite simply, we didn't pay them for a whole month and obviously they never shipped anything out. Now, if you want to know more about my plans for November, i.e. what I said I was going to do check out the video up here and obviously I'll share that. Let me give you an update on those actual plans of what I said in that video. First things first, number one, keeping the business on track. When November started, my Amazon business was experiencing a big drop. We had sales they were the lowest. Some of them were really down. Now with this, we worked through our operations, to get the operation running smoothly again with the prep center, by paying them, that generally helps, and obviously by sourcing more products. Now with this, we managed to, should we say, ramp up or vamp up my Amazon business in ending November with a massive sales of, wait for it, $64,000 in sales in 1 month. Massive record. Previous was 25, now 64. Next level stuff. Absolutely love that. Now, number two, the second thing we did was worked on cancellations. Now, cancellations have always been a nightmare. And for us, it was one of the problems we had. What we've done is we've built a list of our suppliers, which we've just had lots of cancellations from. We can't get orders through, and now we stop buying them. It makes it simple, but what do? Well, when we find products we want to buy, we go to those suppliers where, we can buy from them. We can buy more, they're quite happy with us, no problem. So that just allows us to buy the products we need to buy and obviously get them shipped into our warehouse. Now, the third thing we did, and this is quite a big one, my God, if you don't know, back in October, or should we say prior to that, we lost a staggering $11,000, I think it was about $11,000 in fraud on our card. And by the way, that wasn't a credit card, it was a debit card. I know we haven't got credit cards yet, we're still waiting. But what did we do in November? Well, we said we were going to try and get that money back, and guess what we did? We got that money back. Now for us, we discovered that we had illegal fraudulent transactions on our debit cards and amounting 10, 11K, and oh my God, that's a lot of cash. So what do? We called our debit card provider, Mercury, who we use. We cross-checked every single transaction against what we purchased and also explained to them what was going on and explained what was happening. Now they told us to get in contact with the merchants and explain the situation and ask them for the money back. And you know what? Most of the merchants immediately returned the money. Some of them didn't. But what happened was our debit card, Mercury provider, they were basically loaning us the money against it until it had been returned, but also as well helping to chase it from their side as well with the suppliers in question. So really, really happy they got that back. Now, all I can say was that it was a really, really rough month for my Amazon business, i.e. 11 grand or $11,000, absolutely massive. Now, the thing which I'll say is not only did we manage to get that back, which I'm amazed about, but not only that, we ramped up. We are back in the game, smashed it, 63,000. I should really know that number off the top of my head. And, that is an amazing achievement. Now, what I will say is always remember that challenges are just part of the experience. They are part of the journey, and it's about you overcoming them on your way to where you want to be towards those goals. I still remember in my UK business writing big goals. In my US business, obviously this has been a real challenge. You've got to think big, and obviously you're going to expect challenges along that journey. So #excited. Right guys, today I'm talking about my plans for December. I'm going to share with you what I'm doing. Now I want to know, what are your plans for December? Remember, you cannot score if you don't have a goal. Let me know in the comments down below what your plans for December are. Okay, so that leads me nicely on to chapter number 2, my plans for December in 2021. Now, look, I won't lie, we're actually in December right now. When I'm filming this, it's been a busy month. There's a lot going on, but let's go through it now. So what did we plan to do before December? So first things first, number 1, we had to get our liability insurance. When you sell on Amazon and when you sell in the US, if your revenue exceeds $10,000 in any given month, you are required to have liability insurance. I think it's up to $1 million in excess. Now, for my Amazon business, we had until the 4th of December to get this done. And as we made this video, we've literally got that all established, set up, and done. Now, our insurance liability it cost about $480, which covered us up to that $1 million required. So that's for 1 year. So happy with that, got that done, really happy. Now, the second thing we've done is hired an accountant. Now, in the US, my God, we can't use our UK accountant. It's a different kind of tax process. You don't need an accountant. You can do it yourself, but my God, I'm not spending the time doing that. I'm growing my business. And what does that mean? Well, I need someone to help me with the accounts, obviously make sure we're compliant, and obviously someone I can go for advice. So we've signed up to a new accountant in helping us, should we say, grow our business, manage the accounts, taxes, and everything else. Last thing I want is the IRS chasing me. Obviously, I'm not going to be in the country, but it's the last thing I want. Now, in my Amazon business, obviously, looking for an accountant has been a long process, but we are growing, and now we've found someone we're pretty happy with, and obviously getting onboarded with that and getting set up with QuickBooks, A2X, etc., doing all that. So this leads me nicely on to number 3, Christmas bonus for my staff. Now, of course, with all the challenges, everything that's going on, and the successes as well, you might look at me and be like, Tom, you're doing amazing. Well, you know what? It's not me. It's my team. My team do it all. They're the ones behind the scenes working every single day, doing so much. And, I'm so grateful for them, for the hard work that they do, and obviously being able to show what we can achieve when we're a really high performing team. Now, for me, it's a real pleasure, but also as well, I need to make sure I have everything ready, including the cash flow, the cash to pay their 13th month bonus. Now, this is a side of my appreciation and hard work for them and helping to obviously build that relationship and recognize the hard work they've done in this business over the last year. So really grateful for that, and that we will pay out just after the 15th of the month in December. Okay guys, so I'm talking about my December plans right now, and obviously I just talked about 13th month bonus, my team, my VAs, sourcing VAs, purchasing managers, admin VAs. Last month we did $62,000 or $63,000, maybe 64, I should learn that one. That's incredible, absolutely incredible. And you know what? At the same time we're growing the UK business, at the same time I'm recording videos like this. I'm traveling, I'm doing so many things. And I said it earlier on, it's not me, it's my team. They are the ones doing the hard work. They're amazing, and I could not do this without them. I promise you that, hands down. And now the interesting thing is that it's not only me who's doing this. There are lots of other sellers who build teams, and they too are growing their Amazon business. Now, if you are interested in understanding how they do it, I'll let you into a little secret. First things first, they use VAs, the virtual assistants, generally located in the Philippines, and the first role you always hire for, we know this because we've done it time and time again, is what's known as a manual sourcing VA. Now, they are people who go to suppliers, find products to buy low to resell high on Amazon for a profit. Now, if you are interested in getting one of these VAs, virtual assistants, to come work in your business to help you start a team, which will go on to grow to help you achieve the goals that you want to achieve, then look no further than the FastTrackFBA VA Academy. It's a service I created whereby we find, hire, and train and support a VA in your business 12 weeks to get results. Trust me, it's game changing. We've hired over 340 in the last 2 years and helped over 170 different clients. They know it works, and so can you. If you want to know more, if you want a free 30-minute consultation, have a look at the link down below. I'll drop a link to the VA Academy, fasttrackfba.com/VA. Drop us a call and we can see how a VA can help you in your business. Okay, so this leads me nicely onto my third chapter, some top tips for you in monitoring your Amazon business. The reason why I talk about this is because, like I said before, it's my team doing it. So if I'm not doing it, how do I know what's going on? Well, I'm monitoring my business. Now, I'm monitoring my 3 businesses, not just 1, 3. 2 of them are Amazon businesses, one in the UK and one USA, and obviously one of them is Amazon related. FastTrackFBA, hence the name of this channel. Now, you might be wondering how I'm actually able to monitor them. Well, here are my top tips. So first things first, number 1, leverage your tasks. Managing 3 businesses is like watching 3 television channels all at the same time. It's super hard. And in my Amazon business, what I've done is I've hired management VAs who help me do the management of my 3 businesses. They report to me updates. From those updates, we make decisions and strategies on how to grow. And if you're planning to grow your Amazon business, hiring someone who can help you manage manage that is going to really help you out. First of all, get the VAs, the sourcing VAs, build up the core team, then hire the manager to manage the team for you. Really, really helps. And then what can you do? Well, you're like me, then you sit back, watch the results, and make decisions and strategies how to grow even better. So that's what we do. Now, the second thing, which I will always say, is always do checks on your business. Yes, I'm running 3 businesses. Yes, I'm traveling, but we need to be checking that business. Like what happened to me in October. Oh my God, we missed paying the warehouse bills. The net result, well, they didn't ship anything, and obviously my business went down. Now, always remember that checking on the small things in your Amazon business and having those checks in place matters, because it's a component, an important component of growing your Amazon business. Monitoring that Amazon business doesn't mean you need to just monitor it, but also as well getting your team to do it, check it, report it, but also as well thinking about your strategies and what you want to monitor on that strategy to help you achieve success that you want. Now, at the end of the day, what you should keep in mind is that mistakes are going to happen. It's just human nature. Things go wrong. It's the very nature of running business, but your mindset should be thinking big, growing, and saying, hey, how do we overcome those mistakes? That is what we're looking to do. Now, look, what I will say is managing an Amazon business is challenging. I might make it look easy on YouTube, but it is actually hard. And having virtual assistants is one of probably the best things I could ever say to anyone, because they're going to help you in selling on Amazon. Now, if you want to know more about how a VA can add value to your business, what I'll do is I'll leave a video around here about what is a VA and how it can help you scale your Amazon business. Check that out. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a big thumbs up. And hey, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button down below. But for me, Thomas Parkinson and FastTrackFBA, thank you very much.